So recently someone reached out to me because they've seen my other video. I've been asked to make this iPhone 7 look brand new, and I said no problem. To be honest, this phone looks decent enough, only a few scratches here and there, but hey, I'm getting paid for this, so whatever pleases the customer. After opening the phone, I'm just simply gutting everything out, starting with the screen, then the Taptic engine, the loudspeaker, the battery, camera, logic board, and everything else that I need to transfer to the new housing. Now you might notice I'm wearing gloves whenever I'm working on smartphones, and there are a few reasons why, but I'm just gonna show you one here. Yeah, that is pretty gross. And if you wonder what that is, it's the speaker mesh from the bottom of the phone. It's not really fun. Time to assemble the phone. I've already installed the new buttons so I can continue with the charging port and the ribbon cables. Then I can just put everything back to its place. The one important thing to remember is where the screws are going. There are some different screws here thanks to Apple. We have Phillips head, then standoff screws, and there is also this Y head or whatever it's called. I always lay them out on the right side of this mat the way they come out, and this makes it a lot easier to remember. After transferring the sensors and the Touch ID from the old screen to the new one, I can put some adhesive strips to the new battery and place it in. I'm also installing a new screen adhesive strip just to help stop the dust entering in the device. And then finally I can connect the screen back. And there we have it. Quick and easy job, and the owner will be more than satisfied. Anyway, leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you are a fan. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.